Dear students, good morning. Today we will recite a poem, Bird Talk. In this poem there are two birds, Robin and Jay. They are sitting in the garden and they are talking about people. They said that people are funny. They don't grow wings. They don't eat beetles. And they don't like sitting on wires and things. Ma'am, how birds are saying that we can't fly, we don't eat beetles? Chinese are people, they eat beetles. Yes, Chili, you're right. Yes. Let's see what they are saying about
We
us.
can't sit on
Things said the robin,
but
things said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Now see, there are two birds, Robin and Jay. They are sitting in the garden and they said that the way the people are grow up very funny. They don't have feathers and they don't eat beetles. They can't fly because they don't grow wings and they don't like sitting on wires and things. They said us funny. We are funny people. You have seen there are rhyming words. J, day. Grow, no. Wings, things. And in this poem, there are also contraction form. Don't. Its full form is do not. Aren't. And its full form is are not. In this poem, there are new words. Talking, sitting, grow, feathers, and beetles, wings, wires, people, and funny.
Ma'am, I have learned this poem. I'm going to recite it. Listen. Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way?
वेरी गुड बेटा, वेल डन. तुमने बहुत अच्छा डिसाइड किया है. ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू विल लर्न दिस पोएम एंड टुमारो देयर विल बी अ रेसिटेशन कंपटीशन. यू हैव लर्न गुड मॉर्निंग एंड द सेकंड पोएम इज बर्ड टॉक एंड दोज हु विल रिसाइट विल हैव अ प्राइज. ओके, थैंक यू बेटा.